Hi achievers, welcome to A+ Russian. Today we are learning adjectives iced and hot. We'll use them with the noun latte. My favorite is pumpkin spice latte. When you drink lattes, how do you like them? Let me know in the comments below. A latte is latte in Russian. Let's spell the word latte. The first sound is L, then goes A, then double T, and Y at the end. Y at the end of latte sounds like E, and altogether it's latte. Latte. There's 3 genders in Russian: masculine, feminine, and neuter. And latte in Russian is masculine. Hot latte in Russian is горячий latte. The ending "и" in горячий goes along with masculine noun, which in our case is latte. And altogether we say горячий latte. Let's spell the word горячий, which is Russian for hot. The first sound is G, then goes O, which is unstressed and pronounced as A. Then we have R, Ya, then goes Ch, I, and I short at the end. And altogether it's горячий. Горячий. Try saying it with me. Горячий. Iced latte is холодный latte in Russian. Latte is masculine, so we use «ы» at the end of холодный. And altogether it's холодный latte. Try saying it with me. Холодный latte. Keep in mind that in Russian we change endings depending on the gender. So far you learned how to say hot latte, горячий latte, and iced latte, холодный latte. Do you remember what is Russian for hot latte? Горячий latte, excellent. What about iced latte? Холодный latte, well done. Now let's play a memory game. Each word is repeated twice. I'm going to read the words and then cover them up. Try to remember where the words are and say them out loud with me. Are you ready, achievers? Let's go. Latte is latte. Холодный is iced. Горячий is hot. Latte, latte. Горячий, горячий. Холодный, холодный. Latte. Do you know where the other latte is? Excellent. Горячий. Do you remember where the other горячий is? Well done. Холодный, холодный. Well done, achievers. Now you know how to say iced latte, холодный latte, and hot latte, горячий latte, where горячий is hot, холодный is iced, and latte is latte. And here is your bonus tip. Some people prefer almond milk lattes, lattes с миндальным молоком. They have fewer calories and are high in vitamin E. Latte с миндальным молоком. If you enjoyed our lesson, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you in another video about adjectives or anything else you like on A+ Russian.